Curriculum planning happens through authentic observation and documentation. Productive and efficient documentation requires planning and consistency. Here are some examples of organized ways to keep notes on observations while you were in the classroom. You may recognize these from an activity you did in the Orientation to Intentional Teaching training. Many of you have probably established a system that works for you. It's important to have a system established to take and keep quick notes that can be easily transferred to either portfolio forms or incorporated into lesson plans. Now let's take a look at the importance of objectivity, match, and detail as they relate to documentation of children's learning.
The language used to record anecdotal observations must be factual. Record what you see and hear, what the child does and says. Avoid interpretations, judgments, and conclusions. Here are some words and phrases to avoid because they reflect judgment and/or interpretation. The child loves. The child likes. She or he enjoys. She or he spends a long time at. It seems like. It appears. I felt. I wonder. She or he does very well. She or he is bad at. This is difficult for. Instead, use words and phrases that convey only the facts, such as, she or he often chooses. I saw her. I heard him say. She or he spends 5 minutes doing. She or he said, almost every day he. Once or twice a month, she. Each time, he. She consistently. We observed a pattern of. The documentation you choose must clearly match the indicator. It's a good match if others would read the documentation and draw the same conclusion as the observer about the child's progress related to the indicator. A good, detailed observation is succinct and to the point. Choose details that will help others picture what the child did and/or said. 2 or 3 sentences may be all that are necessary. Remember, quantity is seldom a mark of quality in documenting observations.